Hello, dear students. Welcome to Pen and Paper Chemistry on YouTube. I hope you are enjoying your learning journey with the channel and feeling relaxed about organic chemistry. I'm enjoying it on my part. Do share your views, how you're feeling. With this video, I'm going to introduce to you the topic of phenols. Now, phenols are very reactive compounds. As you can see that the flow chart that I have made over here for the properties of phenol, oh, it is so huge. Left hand side, right hand side, both sides, only properties of phenols. Oh my God, how are the students supposed to learn so many properties? And on top of that, you have preparation as well. So many things to learn. How are we going to do it? It's tough. Let's try and make it easy for you. So what I've done is, as you can see, I've tried to make a flow chart, or you can call them as mind map, anything, line diagram or something like that. So these flowcharts give you a bird's eye view of the entire topic of phenols on one page. You see over here. So what will happen is, so let me tilt it like this. You notice? Oh, so you can fit it into a big A3 size sheet. So why don't you get your sketch pens, felt tip pens, or colored pencils or colored gel pens out so that you can draw this flow chart. I'm going to share snippets of this flow chart with you so that you can keep it ready for the next class. No, don't worry. I am not going to teach the entire topic in one class. It's going to be too much for me as well. So the first part over here in this flowchart is the preparation of phenols. And as you can very clearly see the arrows, they are pointing from the compound to phenols. So these are all various methods of preparation. Don't forget the reaction conditions. They are very important. Although we shall be discussing them in greater detail. Also, let me tell you that not all preparatory methods are covered in all the curriculums. So ISC, CBSE, the A levels, IB have different study criteria and different examination criteria as well. So you can pick and choose the reactions according to your curriculum. And that on this channel, I've tried to keep things more generic. Go ahead. When you go down, scroll down to the properties. On the right hand side, we have covered the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions, wherein the phenols are orthoparadirecting and ring activating. So ring activating means they become very active towards further substitution reactions. So if you see over here, for example, the reaction of nitration, which otherwise we were writing only one reaction, gets written as two reactions in this particular compound. So phenol on reacting with dilute HNO3 and on reacting with concentrated HNO3. Also look at the beauty of these flow charts. You see these small things like yellow crystals, white precipitate. These will help you to remember the test for a particular compound. Also, if you notice in the flow on the flow chart itself, we've mentioned words like Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Fry's rearrangement, Kolbe's reaction, Ramathyman reaction. So these will help you to remember the name reactions as well as the test for a compound. Don't worry. You think I'm scrolling too fast? Don't worry. I'm going to share this flow chart on my website, Pen and Paper Chemistry. Sorry, it's a Google site. Let me be more specific. I'm sharing the link with you. Just search Pen and Paper Chemistry Google sites on Google. Just Google it or on any other web browser and it will take you there. And coming back to the properties, on the left-hand side, since I said the properties are too many, we are occupying the properties on the left and the right-hand side of this periodic table, and this is very clearly decipherable from the direction of the arrow. So the second set of properties is involving the breaking of the OH bond. By the way, you can also take screenshots so that you can draw this flowchart later on. So properties which show the breaking of the OH bond, so more related to the acidic behavior, esterification, benzoylation. So all these reactions are, I've tried to list them in purple, but you'll notice a slight change over here, blue litmus to red. So these are simple tricks and, ways to remember a compound. You will close your eyes when you are confused and the colors will dance in front of you. The colors will give you an idea what I'm talking about. Again, miscellaneous reactions. So a lot of these reactions were reduction, and there's a test for phenols when reacted with neutral FeCl3. There's the coupling reaction with diazo reaction. So I've all clubbed them all together under miscellaneous reactions. So what you have to do is take your sketch pens, take a big piece of paper like an A3 sheet, or what you can do is you can also take an old calendar, use the backside of that calendar. Usually those calendars are, lying waste at home. Why not use those to make this flowchart and keep it ready for the next class? Try to put colors. You can choose the colors of your choice. No issues on that as long as it helps you to remember. I am sharing the snippets of the flowchart with you. And as I said, I'm going to put them up on the website as well, the Google site as well. Let me correct myself. You want to take screenshots, you can do that. And we are going to write the reactions for these compounds starting with the next video. You can also try writing the reactions yourself based on your knowledge, and then we can always cross-check what we have written, right? So be ready for the topic of phenols with pen and paper chemistry. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy and happy. God bless you all.